becomes a set. Nice shot that time, but what a spin on the floor that time. Lemshako is a very good libero. She's hard at work. The cut. Padilla, one of their tall players, and the PNP unable to handle it.
Good hustle from the side of DFA. Dinaan lang nila sa tiyaga talaga yun. Ayun.
Oh, bungled play at the net. May tumba-tumba pa yan, di ba? Set by Bangkola. Ronquillo. Yeah, Tukas is a good fake actually. Yes, Jeff. In play, Pabalinas has it. Magsumbo blasts it. And a good shot down to the...
Tip it over.
Kasi kung paluin mo, disgrasya pa yun eh. Pabalinas lifts it high. Magsumbol on low points unless they're completely bad that day. Ang bilis nilang makaba. Oh, good attempt to block it. Butas kayo.
Good serve from Oliveros.
Alam mo anak, bawas-bawasan mo yung iniinom mo ha. Kalatiin mo yan.
Hindi, yung effect sa kanya dito na nung kay Judy.
Si Judith Abil, iba tama nun. Samantala, eto tayo, PNP, naghahabol. Tinira ni Padilla. Hinata ni Magsumbol, hinarangan. And the PNP. Si Magsumbol is steady. Hook by Bangkola. That never works talaga. May karga. Dairo is blocked. And it is out of reach. 21-15. Good shot. Handled by the back row. Bangkola makes a set for Etukas. On two. And the third. Bangkola hooks it away. Pabalunas. Hindi ma-atake ni Magsumbol. Nagkagulo sa kabila. Ronquillo.
Good coverage.
Oo. Ang lupit pumalo ng PNP. No? They have at least na separasyon di ba? Baka mahirap habulin sa taas. Yung gitna, yung tournament format might be an issue.
So, importante ang mga straight set wins.
Yeah. Ipon yan Bangkola, gentle touch. Yes, that's in. Magsumbol. There's a net touch. Deep breath. 1, 2. Pabalinas taking care of matters there.
Another good serve.
Yes, indeed.
Good pass from DFA.
Lemshako doing a fine job. That's libero and that's out of reach. You are so...
Really work on yung kanilang synchronization, yung talaga yung tinrabaho nila. So although isa pa rin sa what they should continue to work on to minimize talaga is the errors.
Yes. Etukas is the other player. You know, and they are at set point. Bangkola. Heavy heave. Magsumbol. Bangkola light on her feet. Oh, perfectly down by Etukas and we're done.
Same spot, same angle, and that is where PNP has been raking in that point, yung zone 5.
In terms of adjustments for this game. Hey, there's no other way to describe this than nakatulog ang lahat.
But that was a good float serve.
No,
Hindi dali
yes.
bumaba Yun.
Another service ace. And the serve will return to the...
Light ng mood ng Lady Patrollers in their huddle. Nagtatawanan at all smiles ang team as the coaches give instructions how to polish. Ito nga ang magandang nilalaro ng PNP. Huling paalala nga ng mga...
Keeping the ball in play.
Yes.
Lakas. Oliveira gets to it. Middle, Tejada, check out. Problematic, but alive. Oh, Tejada. Regalo. It's inside. Spinning around. Will fire. Off the block. Ang PNP will try to block, ha? That's long. Oh, but check ball. Tejada. Ay, nako, masyado mainit. You're saying? New role. 23. Dito man. Naninibago si Bangkola. Solid serve. Salas brings us to match point. Bangkola serving for the match. And we're done.
Very convincing win here by the Lady Patrollers.
And they did so in authoritative fashion, as you mentioned. 25-17, 25-17, 25-12. And still, the DFA remains winless over 2 years. Sino ba ang ating napiling best player, partner?